How to fix video moderated error in Grok AI. This error in XAI or Grok AI usually appears when the system thinks your video prompt could generate content that violates safety rules. Even if your prompt seems harmless, recent Grok updates use predictive moderation, meaning it analyzes what the final video might look like before rendering it. And here's how to fix it. You should avoid too realistic wording. So words like photorealistic, raw footage, CCTV, real person can trigger moderation. Replace them with cinematic, animated, stylized digital art. Also, don't use violent or not safe for work terms. So words like attack, blood, crash, nude, or sexy can trigger automatic moderation even in fictional contexts. Use indirect descriptions instead. And the last thing that you can try is starting a new session after multiple failed attempts. Users report Grok becomes temporarily stricter after repeated moderation flags. Refreshing the session or waiting a few minutes can help. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.